What's your favorite month of the year? What month is your birthday? When does football season start? What month? When does basketball season start? What month? What's your favorite month to travel? What month is your favorite holiday? These are questions that we're going to be able to answer today in our 30 for 30 as we take on the months of the year in Espanol. Vámonos. Hola y bienvenidos, damas y caballeros, a día número 2 of the 30 for 30 challenge. We're doing 30 days of class consecutively in a row. Pull up a seat, the months of the year. Let's make this big enough for you. Here we go, damas y caballeros. The first month of the year, enero. Repita, por favor, enero. Enero. Actually, this is the hardest month of the year to actually learn as far as memorization purposes. Enero. Okay. And up in that top right corner, you see where it says meses del año. Go ahead and jot that phrase down as well. That actually means the months of the year. Los meses del año is actually what it is. And we'll be using that more tomorrow on day 3. So make sure you got it down now and kind of remember that phrase as we see it throughout the here today. Febrero. Repitan por favor. Febrero. Febrero. Marzo. Marzo. Y aquí tenemos abril. Repitan por favor, abril. And as we're going through these, I want you to see if you pick up on another pattern that we had from day 1. There's another pattern. Put it down in the comment section after the video, after you finish watching it, if you see a pattern here. Mayo. Repita, mayo. Not mayo, not what we're putting on those sandwiches, right? Mayo. Y aquí tenemos junio. We got to know that J's make English sound H's. Junio. Julio. Got another J here. Julio. And if you're joining us here for the first time, soy Profe Don Omar. This is Los Meses del Año. This is day 2 of our 30 for 30 challenge. We would like to welcome you here. What we do on this channel is we kind of break down some Spanish to make it easier for you to learn and to improve your daily walk on your journey of learning Spanish. El próximo mes, the next month, agosto. Repita, agosto. Agosto. Y aquí tenemos, here we have Septiembre. This is where it gets weird, okay? The cool thing about Spanish is that you get to pronounce every single vowel most of the times. 95% of the times, you're not blending vowels. You're literally giving it, each and every vowel, you're giving it its own pronunciation. Aquí tenemos septiembre. Septiembre. Put it all together. Septiembre, right? Like I said, I know I didn't lie to you. I told you that these are getting really easy after enero. It's downhill from here. Repitan por favor. Octubre. 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 Y también aquí tenemos noviembre. Here we have noviembre. Noviembre. Diciembre. Diciembre. December. Right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, damas y caballeros, the same thing we did yesterday. We just flipped it a little bit. Do you remember what sabes means? Do you know? Complete each series logically. Make sure to pause the screen so that you can get those answers created for yourself. Vamos a poner las respuestas en español. We're putting these answers in Spanish. Julio. Agosto. We had Septiembre too. Número 2, diciembre, enero, febrero, marzo. Ladies and gentlemen, I promise you I got something special for you at the end, so make sure you stick around. We've got another night of Spanish Idol, if you will, so stick around for that. It's going to be pretty hilarious. All right, número 3, Halloween, octubre, excelente. All right. Número 4, aquí tenemos April Fool's Day. Here we have April Fool's Day. It's going to be abril. Excelente. And if you know this phrase here, I want you to go ahead and give us the answer. Cinco de Mayo, right? No. Cinco de Mayo. Mayo. Remember, mayo is what we put on those sandwiches, right? Cinco de Mayo. Excelente, damas y caballeros. Vamos a continuar. All right, so we're going to continue here. And what I have for you right now es una canción. I got a little song here. I am not going to lie. I did not make this one up. I found this somewhere on YouTube, and it kind of just stuck. So if it stuck for me, I know it'll stick for you. Here we go. All right. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Estos son los 12 meses del año. Estos son los 12 meses del año. I'm not going to lie, ladies and gentlemen. That's like a kindergarten, daycare, nursery song, but it works. It works. These are the 12 months of the year. Damas y caballeros, soy Profe Don Omar. If you've got any questions for you, make sure you put those in the comment section below. Be sure to share this out with people. This is only day 2 of the 30 for 30 challenge. So make sure you get this to those people so that they know, hey, man, we've got some good stuff going on right here. Make sure you join us tomorrow, mañana, for day 3. It's going to be a banger. Nos vemos.